In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your itchio password the safe and proper way by resetting it, since you cannot view an existing password directly. This is the fastest method if you forgot your login details and need to get back into your account quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io reset password page at itch.io/user/forgot password. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for the email address connected to your itch.io account. Carefully type in the exact email you used when you signed up. Make sure there are no typos, because the reset link will only be sent to the correct inbox. After entering your email, click Submit. At this point, itch.io will send a password reset message to your email address. Now switch over to your email inbox and look for a message from itch.io. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Open the email and find the secure reset link inside the message. Click that link to go back to itch.io and open the password reset page. On the new page, enter a strong, secure password that you haven't used before. It's a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to help protect your account. Type the password again if prompted to confirm it, then save your changes. Once that is done, your itch.io password will be updated and you should be able to log in with your new details. If you're still having trouble, double check that you're using the right email address and that the reset message hasn't expired. And that's it. That's how to find your itch.io password by resetting it safely and regaining access to your account. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick account recovery guides.